Good morning, children. Today we will start chapter 3. Chapter 3, Subtraction. Subtraction. In this chapter, you have to remember some points. Here, remember, subtraction means taking away a number from a bigger number. Subtraction is the opposite of addition. The number from which we subtract is called muned. The number which is subtracted is called subtrahend. When we subtract two numbers, the answer is called differences. Subtraction without regrouping. It means we should not carry greater number. You have to write and then the smaller number from the greater number you can subtract. You start from the one side. Means ones place, then tens, 100. From 9 you can subtract 7, you will get 2. 5 you subtract 3, 2. From 5 you subtract 2, you will get 3, 1, 1. This way you can subtract the 3-digit number. Some examples are given in this. Or you have to subtract 4-digit number. Here is one example is given, 4-digit number. For 4-digit number here, one example, 5948. You have to subtract 2415. From 8 you can subtract 5, you will get 3. From 4 you subtract 1, you will get 3. 9 from 4 you will get 5. From 5 you subtract 2, you will get 3. This way you do the exercise 3.1, page number 53. In this number is given, you have to subtract from all these number and you have to write the answer this way. And question number 2 also you have to do in your book, that is page number 54 you do. Now subtraction with a regrouping means you have to carry. When your number is less than the larger number is 953 and smaller number 228. From 3 we cannot subtract 8. Then we will carry from the tens place from the 5. When 5 will give 2, 3, 3 become 13 and here left 4. From 13 you subtract 8, you will get 5. And from 4 you subtract 2, you will get 2. From 9 you subtract 2, you will get 7. This way for with regrouping means carry or you borrowing subtraction you can do. In this video I will explain you subtraction of 4-digit number with carry. Here is given the number 4327. You have to subtract 3519. First, one side you will subtract. In one's place 7 is here and below 7 is 9. 9 is greater than 7. So from the 7 you cannot subtract 9. So this 7 will carry from the tens place. The 10 place digit is 2. It given 1 to 7. It becomes 17. Here 1 is given, left 1. From 117 you subtract 9. From you will get answer 8. 1 minus 1 0. Then 3. Again 3 is smaller than 5. Then we cannot subtract from 3 5. It will carry from the next number is 1000 place. It will given the once 1000 place number, it become 13. Here is 3. From 13 you can subtract 5. You will get answer 8. 3 minus 3. Then this way you can subtract 4-digit number. Here from 17 9 8. 1 minus 1 0. 13 minus 8. 13 minus 5 is 8. 3 minus 3 0. This one 4-digit number. Now subtraction with 0. If 0 is given, here look here, 700. From 700 we have to subtract 254. From 4 we cannot subtract from 0. Then 0 will come to the next tens place. Tens place is also a 0. Then this tens place number will carry from the 100 place 7. This 7 will give to tens place, it become 10. Here is 6. One number is given to tens place, so here is from 7 minus 1 is equal to 6. Tens, this 10 will give 1 to 0. Then 1's place 0 become 10 and 10 place become 9. Then from 10 you subtract 4, you will get 6. From 9 you have to subtract 5, you will get 4. From 6 subtract 2, you will get the 4 answer. This way you can do the subtraction. Now you have to do the exercise 3.2, page number 59. Do in first question, do in your book. This question number 2 you do in your notebook.